Welcome to date night. You know, you hate food, but you love waffles. You also gotta remember some of the reasons why you hate food. You know, this is all a part of this enjoyable experience here. You know, tonight I'm taking myself out on a date. Got the lanterns lit. Got all dressed up for dinner. It's all a part of it. You know, I'm actually making these videos for me, and I'm hoping that somebody else might enjoy them. They too love waffles, but hate food. So tonight, we're going to be having ourselves cornbread and chili for our waffle dinner tonight. Our eggs and our produce, of course, come from Pike Place Market. And our chili tonight comes from the local food bank. You know, I tell people, if you can't date yourself, are you really ready to date somebody else? So right now, I am relearning how to date myself. Well, let's keep going. All right. This apron my older brother made for me. He's not with us anymore, but brings up fun memories. He sure was laughing at himself when he made this for me. I fell in love with it. Sure did. Nice good old pair of rainbows, right? All right, well, let's get going. Tonight, look at the waffle iron. So tonight's cornbread. So, like I said, almost all this is brand new experience. I mean, I love cornbread, but I've never made cornbread waffle. So we're gonna see how that goes. So let's see, the ingredients I came up for tonight: 1 cup of flour, 1 cup cornmeal, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 3/4 cup milk, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's get going. We're gonna put our dry ingredients, of course, in one bowl. Then we'll add in our wet. I was a little bit tired today. If you caught in the middle of the night cooking episode, I was thinking about my grandma last night. Thinking about other people as well. I woke up in the middle of the night, made myself some waffles. Use grandma's old recipe. If you didn't catch it, I recommend it. Okay. This sure has been enjoyable. It really has. Some sugar in here. Oh, there it is. It's wonder where I put that tablespoon. Okay. Cornmeal going. Just a basic. I love it. Just a basic cornbread recipe almost. I always did like sweet cornbread. I was hoping the food bank would have had some canned corn as well, because I love canned corn in my cornbread. Let's get 2 eggs over here. Milk. You know, a lot of people really don't think about taking themselves on a date, having date night for themselves. And I don't know why. It's fun to get dressed up for dinner, isn't it? Got all cleaned up, shaved my head, got my beard all cleaned up. It's just a really nice experience today. It really was. Some great music in the background tonight. Guess us gays love our country too. But a good old-fashioned stereotype sure does crack me up as well. You know, a lot of people they always make assumptions about other people. I don't know why. I look at people's face value. Try to anyway. I mean, we're all in this fishbowl together, really. All right, this is looking good. Oh, look at that beautiful butter in there. Lots of butter. Just a nice cornbread recipe. I'm gonna switch over from the whisk. One thing about cornbread, it does not like to be overworked. That's for damn sure. Here we go. Just make sure everything's nice and mixed up, just not overworked. Smell of sweet cornbread, you know. I wish I had some corn to put in there, but hey. This is good enough for sure. All right. Now I turned down the temperature on the waffle iron today. So I'm gonna cook this a little bit longer. Here we go. Get this all buttered up. I'm really looking forward to giving this a try. Oh, listen to the music in the background, the popping of the cornbread here. The cornbread waffles gonna be going. Looks like this is gonna make several cornbread waffles, which would be great. Let's get that flipped over. Now for our syrup. Nice, beautiful chili. Just rinse that a little bit. Recycling. Nice and heated up. While that's heating up, I want to put a little bit of tomato on top. Some beautiful mushrooms. Or I might just add just a little bit extra to that. I'm telling y'all, I really do like my Pioneer Woman collection. I gave away everything else, but not my Pioneer Woman collection. I don't know. If you've ever read any of the books by Reed Drummond, they sure are hilarious. She's quite the narrator. And she's got some great cooking shows too. Damn good food. Only date night tonight going really fun. Oh, listen to that smell. That's the best way to put it for y'all. Listen to that smell. I like that. Ow! Bonk on the head. Note to self, don't do that again. It's date night. Right. Beautiful mushrooms gonna go on there. The thing about our waffles, we can put whatever we want on them, as long as it's in the form of a waffle. That was a good song. Herbs. Turn that and set it to the side. Oh, I really am looking forward to this. Chili. Oh, you know what? I think I can already tell I need to add some pepper to that. It is a nice chili. Nice, good and thick. That's the one thing I really wanted about the chili, it'd be nice and thick. Go on our cornbread waffles. I'll flip this over again. Like I said, I don't know if that really makes a difference. Flipping it a few times, but why the hell not? That's heating up nice. Oh, I got some produce chopped up on top of our waffles. And what's chili without a dollop of daisy, right? Some sour cream to put on top of that. I think it's going to be quite wonderful. That's for sure. You know, I like to judge things by the smell. I really do. It's one thing I love about cooking. Just kind of like get yourself kind of in tune with what things smell like when they're fully cooked. So, because you know when you put like a cake in the oven, you can't smell it, and all of a sudden, that beautiful cake just goes through the whole house. That's when you check it. Think about it. Waffles are pretty similar to cake. I was talking the other night, we were making waffles about the state fair. Waffles smelling just like funnel cakes a little bit. All right, I'm gonna take a look. See what's going on here. Oh, wow. That looks amazing. It really does. Wow. I think I am quite a treat on date night tonight. Chili's all nice and hot here. Oh, it smells so good. Texture looks great. Texture is really good. All right, let's get some chili on there. Wait, let me show you what that cornbread waffle looks like first. Isn't that beautiful? Just nice and golden. My goodness. Just smells like some fresh cornbread, just like your grandparent, or if you don't have grandparents, just like somebody from maybe the South, or maybe went to a Southern dinner somewhere. Nice hearty meal tonight. Make sure that's turned off. Get that rest of that waffle mix in here. Get that going. I'm just gonna do the same thing like I do with all the other waffles. Freeze it. Use it for a different meal later. That's going to perfectly make 2 waffles. A little bit of extra, not too bad. Now remember, every waffle, rinse out that mold as soon as you can. Otherwise, you end up with glue. Nobody wants waffle glue. All right. Oh gosh, it smells so good. I'm looking forward to this. Put some fresh tomato on top. Beautiful mushrooms on here. I'm really enjoying the sage that I have. Oh, this thing's so delicious. All right, put on some sour cream. around so you get some every bite. The thing about waffle, you're not really mixing things up, you're taking bites. So you want to get everything spread around. So you get a little bit of everything in every bite. With my esophagus, you can tell it's already strained. I need things to be really nice and juicy when it goes down. It makes things a lot easier. I still say I have an esophagus. I don't know why the hell I do it. But going right here in my throat, I want things to be nice and liquid feeling. Let's take a look. Wow. Hang on. Why are you not turning over? There we go. Boy, it really does smell like a nice chili. What do you think of that? All right. Well, it's date night. I'm a little alligator over here. Hat on. Oh, let's get that apron off. Oh, let's give it a try. Oh, enjoying that good music. Oh, I'm looking for this first bite. This is good. I can tell. Wow. Yo. I'm gonna be getting these recipes too, y'all. Wow. Now this is so damn good. I'm so glad I had those tomatoes. The mushrooms, that sage with that chili, and this nice, wonderful cornbread in here. This is just downright delicious. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of date night with myself. Now I do need to be mindfully eating. This waffle is going to take me about 30 minutes to eat total, just so you know. I'm going to go over here to my table. Listen to some nice music, take my time, really enjoy the heck out of this.